kind of bright back there. It's a little better. We got a new video coming to y'all. Something a little different. Freaking. I'm gonna start this off by saying it's freaking hot out here. As usual, it's fucking, let's see, 108 degrees. Y'all need to start a GoFundMe for your boys or something, cause we gonna die out here in all this heat. Y'all need to get us a new place or something where it's cooler, cause I don't know what to do. And one of these days we ain't gonna make it. But anyways, freaking little random backstory. I freaking was driving, doing errands, seen these guys in this cool van, said what's up, they said what's up. We had a cool conversation, and I figured, you know, why not do something different? Go hit them up and do an interview. Figured, you know, it'd be something different for the channel, something y'all might want to see. It was something I was definitely interested in, so that's what we got going on today. I'm about to head over there right now and go meet up with them, and then we're gonna get this interview rolling. Hopefully y'all like it, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, guys, we're back. Freaking, I made it. These are the gentlemen. These are their van. This is their van. Freaking, we're gonna get into this interview. I'm gonna set the camera up, doing something a little different, like I said, so forgive me if it's a little weird, but yeah, I'm gonna set the camera up, do the interview, and then we're gonna shoot b-roll, and then you'll see how we edited and all that stuff. So let's get into that up. All right, guys, so let's start with names, let the people know where you guys are from, and then there.
I'm Eric. It's my father, John.
All right. So we got Eric and John, and you guys are from New Jersey, right?
From New Jersey.
From New Jersey.
Northern New Jersey.
All right. So can you give us a breakdown of pretty much what you guys have going on for the people? Let them know what the situation is.
So yeah. So you know, I came back. Had been away from Eric for about 4 years, and I said, you know what? Let's go plan a trip together with a bus company. And then they said, let's get an old Volkswagen bus. So here we are. It's a 1976 VW bus. We spent the last year renovating it. And he's got an old bus himself. And then my niece, his cousin, did the paint job for us.
Oh wow.
She's an art student. And yeah, we just pointed the thing west. And I showed him where he was born in Illinois.
Nice.
And then we went to, you know, all through, you know,
Mount Rushmore, Yellowstone,
Crater Lake.
Yeah.
So when you guys planned the trip, did you guys have like a kind of like a set route that you guys wanted to take through the?
No.
Just
We
just
gonna
winging
point
it.
West. We're gonna point it west and go.
And you guys are going through every. Okay. Yeah.
Stayed off the interstate.
Yep.
It's all been kind of secondary roads, little towns.
Okay.
Talking to locals, you know, what would you see? Where would you go?
Yeah.
Got
Stopped
it.
at Cody, just at the foothills of the Rockies.
Nice.
Saw rodeo.
Nice.
You know?
Yeah.
Sightseeing all the way.
Exactly.
Sightseeing. Yeah.
So can you give us a rundown of everything that's done to it so far, or anything that's not like
So yeah, so between the two, we've done just about everything. This bus, it's got new bearings, brakes. Some of the tie rods and ball joints were changed, not all of them.
Mm-hmm.
We put in a new transmission, clutch, brand new engine. It's the engine
Wow.
back.
Yeah.
2 new steering boxes.
Oh.
2 new steering boxes. You know, all the cables. So that's called a Type 4 motor. Unlike a Beetle that has kind of that big doghouse,
Yeah.
they call it, the fan.
Yeah.
That's a Type 1.
Okay.
A lot of these buses have the Type 1, but you're never getting over the Rockies.
Got it.
So this is the same engine. This is the engine made for this bus.
Mm-hmm.
It also goes into the Porsche 914.
Oh wow.
So they have a
That's
different
random.
transmission and they use the power differently.
Got it.
But it's a powerhouse, this thing. So it gets us.
Nice.
We got dual barrel carbs.
Yep.
Giving it plenty of fuel air mixture.
Mm-hmm.
It's all, you know, sealed up so none of the heat gets to it because it's air cooled. There's
Yep.
no radiator.
Right.
So yeah.
Air cooled.
What else we did is we pulled out the the gas tank
Mhm.
and degreased it, etched it with acid, and then resealed it with this kind of a special sealing paint, and then retubed it, painted all behind there, and put the firewall back as well.
Yeah.
And you guys did most of this before the trip, or?
Oh yeah, we did it all before
Okay.
the trip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Except the second steering box. We did that on the side of the road.
So how long is this you guys' first time doing this?
Yeah, we have 2 buses. The first bus we had originally, or my father had originally purchased for the intent to take it on this trip, but it had the 1600cc Beetle engine in it, and we just rethought instead of getting a whole new engine, which takes about a year to rebuild or build for us, we would just get a new bus and see if we could take that. But it also had
that one we did ball joints, tie rods, brakes,
everything.
all the brake lines.
Everything.
Yeah, exactly.
Freaking everything on that too.
Yep.
Gas tank, everything.
Yeah, electrical system.
Damn.
All new electric.
Yeah.
From the back corner to the front corner.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what was you guys' favorite stop so far?
I like Cody.
I think Cody was a lot of fun.
Where's that?
Cody, Wyoming.
Okay.
I think northwest corner of Wyoming.
Nice.
Beautiful. I mean, people were so inviting and nice.
People were
And,
inviting.
yeah.
It wasn't really. It was after the season. Wasn't really a tourist town, so you just got to talk to people.
Yep.
You know, went to the rodeo. First time I ever saw a rodeo.
Got pulled over outside Cody. The officer who pulled us over was the best.
Cool.
Yeah.
Super chill.
Yeah. Took a couple funny pictures with us.
Yeah, I think Cody was cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, Yellowstone was cool. I would say Crater Lake was really slick. I mean, that was that. I mean, you looked.
Yeah.
It was breathtaking. The
Nice.
water, the crater. It's really.
Yeah,
We paid the price getting this thing up that mountain. That's for sure.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
They had
Getting
it-
it down.
Getting it down was
When you
crazy.
realize
Was it sketchy?
It was.
we did the brakes, so getting it down, you're like,
Yeah.
you tighten that bolt enough.
Yeah,
right?
you're double thinking everything now.
Yeah, right. Yeah. So, it's like packing your own parachute. You know,
Yep.
you pull that cord, you're like.
All the things you should have thought about before, you're now thinking about.
Exactly.
I definitely get it. That's funny. Are you?
Altitude messed with the carburetor.
Oh
so,
yeah. How was that? Were you guys tuning it a lot?
Broke down outside a sign that said, "Beware, this is bear country." And
Conked out.
Yeah.
Conked out.
Taking the air filters off.
Yep.
You know, trying to unflood the carbs.
Dang.
There was a sign that said, "There are bears in this camp."
Got it. All right, good to know.
A lot of fun.
And he smells like beef jerky. You know?
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Are you guys like taking souvenirs or anything from all the places you go to? Or you're kind of just
Not
going
really,
through
you know, I
and
mean, we grabbed this
yeah, I
one from
seen the
Yellowstone.
yeah.
Yeah. But
And the bus needed this. Too many hippies saw we were libs, so they put that on there. Right? Yeah.
Oh
Well, we're not angry enough to be a lib.
no.
yeah.
But yeah, so I would say it was really a big souvenir thing.
Yeah. Just getting the experience and all that.
Just the
Spend the time
experience.
together, breaking
Yep.
each other's horns. You
Yeah.
know,
For sure. For sure.
I guess we're taking souvenirs in pieces, parts.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Along the way,
The
but
bus is getting better along the way.
Yeah. What would you say is you guys' biggest breakdown, I guess?
probably Crater Lake.
Yeah.
Crater Lake freaked you out a little bit.
Yeah. Worst time to take an Oregon edible. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's probably true. That's probably true. I would say the steering box, you know.
Yeah.
You know, to be in the middle of nowhere. You know, we're lucky here. There's a guy in town at, what is it, Combi House?
Oh yeah.
Combi House.
That place
Combi
is
House
not far from my house. That's why I was
Not far
like,
from us.
there
The
you
guy's
go.
a guru.
mm-hmm.
I mean, he
Yep,
came out,
Justin.
you know, smelled the engine, you know,
Yep.
smelled and said, you got a 2-liter, you know, with dual,
Wow.
rubber carbs in the back.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, he just, you know,
He knew it.
he knew it, you know, and the other guy there knew it too.
Yeah.
Big operation. And I'll put in a
Jim.
plug for this guy, man. He said, we're all booked up. I can't really, but you can park on my lot. You can borrow some tools. If my guys have a minute, they'll help you.
Nice.
Really, I mean,
Really good
solid
people.
guy. So, you know,
Yeah.
go around the country meeting people.
Yep.
You're like,
Yeah.
he's a solid guy.
Yeah.
Doing work on a bus when you're literally halfway across the country.
Yeah.
Totally across the
We
country.
got some
Yeah, I know
tools,
that
but
was
not-
life
not
savior.
tools.
Yeah, tools and a space to do it, especially in the heat.
The trained ear to say, this is what I hear. I think I'd look here, not
Mhm.
there.
Yep. And
That's
they
sick.
eventually come out and just do some work themselves. And then
Good people.
Good people.
So we're staying at the hotel here for a couple days with this heat, you know, trying to work in the van.
Mm-hmm.
But we spent a lot of time camping at